Hello, everybody. I hope everyone is having a great week. I just want to take a quick moment and talk about what's going on with PropStream. There's a lot of people that are freaking out, and I just want to tell everybody do not freak out. There is a solution for it. I'm going to give you the solution right now in this video. But before we go to the solution, I want to talk to you about a few important things because things like that will always keep happening. And as a new investor, you should always know how to pivot, right? When things happen, you should just know like, okay, it's happening to everybody. There's no reason to freak out. And if someone will figure it out, I'll figure it out as well, right? So don't freak out. Number two is your business or your investment should never depend on one person or one tool or one thing. You should always have different ways of doing things just so you can, because if you're only depending on one tool or one person or one thing, you're really like one step away from failing. So make sure you know different ways. Now, going to how to fix that, if it's not on PropStream and you were using PropStream to look up comps, you still have Zillow, you still have different things that you can look at, but don't go ahead and buy or purchase just because you saw somebody saying buy it here. Just be careful, do your research first. Now, the best way to find comps is by having realtors on your team and having relationships. So your relationship in this business is key, right? You will never succeed just basically on your own. You need people on your side. And one of the most important people is realtor, especially in a good time right now. Now, you don't just want to be a person that go in and ask, or take from a realtor or from anybody else without adding value. So we'll talk about how to add value, but first, let's talk about how you can find a realtor. If you're just getting started and you do not have any connections, here's what I would do. I would go to, your local Facebook groups and I'll ask for a recommendation. Anybody knows a realtor that's investor friendly, or anybody would recommend a realtor, or just ask, hey, if you're a realtor out there, please reach out to me or give me a DM. So when they reach out or a realtor reach out to you, I would just honestly be honest with them and be like, hey, I'm a new investor in the area and I was looking at a couple different properties to purchase, but I wanted to have equity in it, right? I don't want to just buy something on the market for the same price. I want to, make it as an investment, and I want to have equity. Would you mind telling me if I share them with you, like what is the comps, or what is the comps in this area, or like a 3-bed, 2-bath, how much they go for, or share with me. I'll give you my email, share with me. I will guarantee you for right now they will. Now, in return, you want to keep that relationship with the realtor. Most properties that you will look at out there are not deals. I'll tell you that right now. If I go out and look at 10 properties, probably 8, won't be deals that will work for me or will work for an investor, right? The owner might not want to sell for 70% or for low price. They might just want to be ready to put it on the market, but they don't have an agent or a realtor. Now, what I would do is I would give that lead to the same realtor in return for their help and building relationship, because just because they want me to succeed, I want them to succeed as well. I can't tell you how many leads I have given to my realtors and they have sold, and I'm thankful for these realtors because we work together as a team, right? If I have a conversation, I can just call them. If I have a question, I can just call them. I can reach out. They will reach out to me, and it's a win-win. So don't freak out. Be smarter than the crowd out there. And let me know in the comments if you have different ways you're looking at comps. And see you later. Ciao.